Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Study with me. I am here with another video lecture related to angle and its measurement. Here we are going to see the two theorems related to angle and its measurement. First is length of arc and second one is area of the sector of the circle. Now we are going to start with length of an arc. Theorem that states us if S is the length of an arc of a circle of radius r which subtends an angle theta in radian at the center of the circle, then S is equal to r theta. Here I have drawn the figure related to it previously only. Now so let's start with proof. Here there is a given circle. Here the radius is r, theta is in radian, and here the length of arc is s. So let us assume that let center is equal to O, radius of the circle that is equal to r, and length of arc is equal to s, angle being radian that is equal to theta radian. Now moving ahead, we have from the figure length of arc AB is proportional to measure of angle AOB. See, this is the length of arc AB, and which is proportional to angle AOB. Now we can write length of arc AB to that of length of arc AB A dash is equal to theta radian per unit pi. See, this pi is due to the circumference of the circle, that is A B A dash. Now we have length of arc AB that is previously mentioned, that is S divided by half of circumference, that is the length of arc AB A dash, circumference, that is equal to theta by pi. Now we have this is the circumference, S divided by pi r, that is the value of half of circumference, is equal to theta by pi. As the value of circumference is 2 pi r for a circle, so this 2 gets cancelled and we get pi r. Now moving ahead, we have S is equal to theta into pi times r divided by pi. So this pi gets cancelled and we get S is equal to r theta, which we have to prove. Hence proved. So our first theorem is proved. Now our second theorem is related to area of the sector of a circle. So we have a second theorem statement related to area of sector. So let me read out for you. If theta radian is an angle between two radii of the circle of the radius r, then the area of the corresponding sector is half r square theta. So proof, here I have drawn a circle circle figure. Here O is the center, AB is the arc, AB is the length of arc, similar to the previous one, and here also OA is equal to radius of the circle. So consider length of arc is equal to S, angle that is equal to theta in radian, radius of circle is equal to r, and final center that is equal to point O, or we can say O point. Now we know that area of sector AOB is proportional to measure of angle AOB. See, AOB is the area which we have to found, or you can see this shaded part. We have to find this, and here it is given only from the figure that sector angle area of sector of this shaded portion is proportional to the angle made by this point O, that is AOB respectively. Now we have similarly area of sector A dash is proportional to measure of angle A dash. So we write here area of sector AOB to that of area of sector AB A dash is equal to measure of angle AOB to that of measure of angle AOA dash, that is equal to theta by pi. See, we have taken this ratio, as we know this sector is proportional to angle made by it. Similarly here also we have taken this proportionality, so that area of sector is of this A dash is proportional to measure of angle AOA dash. So AOA dash is about pi, so we have put the value pi, and AOB which we have to which we have known, that is our angle theta. So now substitute the values, we get area of sector AOB is equal to area of sector AB A dash into theta by pi. See, just we have cross multiplied, or we can say the denominator is sent on the right hand side of this equation. So now substitute the values, we get area of sector AOB is equal to half of r square theta. See, area of sector A dash is equal to half of r square pi. So this multiplied by theta by pi, this pi gets cancelled, and we get finally half of r square theta. Now we know that r theta is equal to r length of arc. So substitute here, we get area of sector AOB is equal to half of R into length of arc. Thanks guys for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Study with me. Thank you.